Ayan guys, kung makikita po nyo, ayan, nandito na tayo sa baba. Sobrang ganda po dito na view. Kung makikita nyo po, wow. Ayan, gandang ano. Oh, studio po ito siya.
No, I'm not holding anything. Right, I was right here and I clicked it.
Ayan, ito yung sculptor studio. Yung studio po ito. Ah, this is the studio. Dito sa Mount Rushmore. Oh, look at that.
But if it's in powder form and we add water, it becomes more of a cornstarchy kind of paste, and that's what it's made out of. Okay?
Do you think there's any chance someday they'll come back and finish the rest?
No. Do I think they'll ever come back and finish the mountain to the extent of the model? It is done, it is complete, there will not be anything ever done on it again. Unless Mother Nature has an earthquake and collapses it. That will be done. But I'll tell you why, okay? You see, this was the artist's illusion of grandeur in plaster of Paris. What you see up there is his reality in granite. While Don Robinson was the one that had the original idea to do a carving in South Dakota, Gutzon Borglum had very distinct ideas of his own, but Mother Nature had her own ideas. So here I will go through some of the different versions of the models that he made.
Guys, ayan po yung view dito. Papunta dito sa Mount Rushmore Monument. There. Ayan, makikita rin po siya dito na view. Ang ganda talaga ng ang galing ng ano. Oh, ito yung mga ano. Yung ginamit nila oh, this is the tools that they use when they curve that one. Wow. Ito po yung mga ano, yung tools po na ginamit nila para ukitin yung mga bato. Ano yung mukha ng mga late president. Wow. This is the tools. I don't know. The power to curve a mountain. Over 450,000 tons of rock were removed from Mount Rushmore to bring out the other presidential faces. Wow! Imagine 450,000 tons of rock were removed from Mount Rushmore to bring out the 4 presidential faces. Wow! Yan po yung mga ano. Ganyan pala nila ginawa noon. Andyan yung machine nila. Ang galing. Ang galing ng ano. Galing.